Hello everybody, welcome to our channel EZResume. Are you looking for creating professional resume? EZResume is the best option. This is the platform where you can create professional resumes with easy steps. Once you are on the homepage EZResume.io, you can go to the menu section and you can go through all the pages in order to see different types of features available in the website. Also, you can scroll down to the website and you can see different options in order to create your resume. Now, coming to the main feature, that is for creating your resume, if you are on the desktop, just scroll down in the website and click on create a resume. Or you can go to the menu section and also you can click on the create a resume. Once you click on the create a resume, you can start your process. For example, if you are on the mobile, you can just scroll down and you can see the button create a resume. Just click on the create a resume and you can continue with the process. Now, you will be seeing the 3 different steps in order to create your resume. First, you can choose the best template which will suit according to your job profile. Then you have to fill all your details. Then according to your job experience, you can select different categories and you can fulfill your resume. Now you know the process to create your professional resume. Next, you can just go to the next screen and you can start the process. If you already have an EZResume or EZJobs account, you can just click on the login and you can log into your account. If you don't have an account, you can just click on the new resume and you can start process in order to complete your resume. In the next screen, for example, if you have logged into your existing account which you already created on EZJobs, so it will ask you whether if you want to autofill all your data. So if you click on autofill, it will fill your all details. So if you don't have an account, you can just click on the no and you can continue with the process. In the next screen, you can just let us know what is your level of experience. Based on that, you can select the industry and functional area in order to continue with your process. Now, based on your experience, you'll be having different types of options in order to select the best template, so that you can select the best template according to your job profile and you can continue the process. Now, once after selecting the template, you will be asked the personal details and contact information in order to recruiters can able to see on your personal resume. In the next step, you can also enter your career objective and the summary details. And also, you can also see the preview section in the right hand side while you are entering the details. So that no errors will occur and you can correct all the content which you are entering. In the next step, the most important thing, it will be asked you to select all the categories which you want to enter in the resume so that you can show it to the recruiter. Now, after entering all the details according to the category you have selected, you can finally purchase your resume which you have created. Before purchasing, you can also edit your resume anytime and you can change your details. Now, you have completed all your profile details and you have entered everything. Now, you can able to purchase and you can download your professional resume so that you can start applying for the different jobs which you are dreaming for. So, once you are downloading the resume according to the purchase plan, whenever you want, you can come back and you can edit your resume and you can also download it again.